brakes on the Dakota, so we're going to try and take this wheel off. Okay, so I need to get a new rotor for that driver's side, so let's go get some parts out here. That's where I keep my parts. It's kind of a long story why I have some extra parts here, but let's go see how they look. I think it's here somewhere. I think this is where I kept it. There it is. So that's going to be my replacement rotor. I know you guys probably don't think it's a good idea, but for right now that's all I have. I'm just putting on some cheap brake pads. So let's go and put it in. Alright, so I got the caliper off, and I'd say there's definitely a problem here. Have a look at the rotor. Just the outside pad, I guess, this is seized up here. This pin is seized totally. This one's moving. Here's the pads. So there isn't much left of that one. This one's still not bad, but I'll replace them both. And that rotor shot. It's a good thing I had the old one kicking around. Cleaned it up nice. Resurfaced it with a grinder. So anyway, I'm gonna slap that one on and have to free up this pin here and push that caliper back in. That's quite a ways out. Alright, I'm not going to bother showing this part. I'll just show you if I have any trouble. See you later. Alright, so I got that hopefully pretty clean in there. I'm going to have to get some grease, and that one moves okay. So I'll put the pin back in there, clean it up. Okay, I got the new pads installed. Had to work on this pin to loosen it up. It's still not great, but it's going to have to do. I think the so bad the rubber has rust on it, so but it's moving. So anyway, so now it's just a matter of putting them in and bolting it up. So I'll show you when it's done. Okay, got it all back together. It's pretty good. Sure, Redneck would be very proud of this brake job. So alright, so I'm just going to put the tire back on and take it for a test ride.